Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Larkins and I'm here to do a quick help video, weekly review number 1, questions 4 through 6. Remember, these are just examples, so your answers in your Canvas quiz will not be the same as my examples, and no calculators. All right, question number 4. Eric spent $18 per square yard of carpet and $25 for a carpet pad. Simplify the expression and to find out how much Eric spent to carpet a 12-foot by 12-foot room. The reason we have a 9 is this is in per square yards, and 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. We will get into that later in geometry, so don't worry about that. Okay, so we have parentheses and an exponent. So we have to do what's inside the parentheses first before we do the other operations. But inside these parentheses, we have exponents. So we don't do 12 divided by 9 first. We have to do 12 squared first. So 12 times 12 is 144 divided by 9, and it's still in parentheses, and drop everything else down. All right, now we have addition. This is multiplication, but inside the parentheses we still have an operation, so we have to do that first. 144 divided by 9. Remember, no calculators. 9 goes into, we're going to start right over that 4. 14 is once. That is 9. 14 minus 9 is 5, and this is a 4. 9 goes into 54 exactly 6 times. There's no remainder. So our answer is 16. It's in parentheses, and if you just put down an 18, it looks like 1,816, and that's not right. So protect that 16 with those parentheses, and then drop everything else down. 25 plus 18 parentheses 16. Right here is multiplication. So our next step is to multiply 18 times 16. So I'm going to go over to the side so I can show my work. 18 times 16. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry the 4. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 4 is 10. We're done with the 6. 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1. Last step is to add our two multiplications, 88, and this is a 2. So this right here, 18 times 16 is 288. We're going to drop down that plus sign and a 25. All right, our last step is to add these two together. So I'm going to show my work off to the side. That's a 13, 10, 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our final answer is 313. So Eric is going to spend $313 on carpet and the carpet pad. In Canvas, you do not need to put in the dollar sign. You can just put in the number. Okay, example number 5. Write this mixed number as an improper fraction. How we do that? Well, I call it times plus. I don't know what the correct mathematical form is, but I put a little times sign right here and a little plus sign right here. You start at the 3 and you go around the clock like a clock, like clockwise. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. That is our new numerator, and the 3 stays our denominator. So this is your answer. 17 thirds is equal to 5 2/3. Okay, this is another improper fraction. It's going to be the same type. We're going to do times plus, starting at the 5. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Our denominator is a 5, so our improper fraction is 14 fifths.